Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by quickly confirming two essentials. Your iPhone is running a recent iOS and you're logged into your Apple ID. Once done, swipe down to search and type photos. Make sure it's not tucked in the app library. If the app doesn't appear, go to the App Store and search Photos Apple to reinstall the built-in app. This step restores the app container without changing settings. Do this now so the app is present before you recover any missing content. After installing, restart the iPhone to ensure system hooks are reattached. This prevents odd behavior. Next, open Settings and grant Photos the necessary permissions under Privacy so the app can access media and the camera roll. Then enable iCloud Photos from your Apple ID settings if you use Cloud Sync. This pulls your library back down. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and have sufficient iCloud storage. These steps reconnect the app to your account and permissions so your pictures appear properly. If images are absent after reinstall, open Photos and inspect recently deleted and hidden albums. Recovery is often immediate. If that fails, sign into iCloud. To verify the library online and, if necessary, restore from a Finder or iTunes backup made before loss. Once restored, force restart the device, sign out and back into your Apple ID, then re-enable iCloud Photos to resync. Troubleshooting tip: if sync stalls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.